To delete account on MyFitnessPal app, firstly you have to open the app here. Now you have to select the profile icon. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Click on this mark. You can see here delete account. Click on it. Add your password here. When you have to forget your password, click on forget password. That will be resent to your email address. In this way, click on delete account. At that time, your account will be deleted on MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.